In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find mailing address for bill payments on Vive Financial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for the correct remittance address so your payment gets credited quickly and accurately. Let's start at the source. Open your browser and go to the official Vive Financial website. Always type the address directly or use a trusted bookmark to avoid look-alike sites. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign-in area. This is the safest place to find the most current information for your account. After that, log into your Vive account. If you haven't signed in for a while, use the standard account recovery tools on the site to reset your password rather than searching for shortcuts elsewhere. Once you're in, head to your billing or statements section. That's where the official remittance details live. Now open your latest monthly statement. You're looking for the remittance or payment coupon area. This is usually near the bottom of the statement or on the detachable payment slip. The key is to find the mailing address labeled specifically for payments, sometimes called the remittance address. Be careful not to confuse it with a general correspondence or dispute address, which is often listed separately. If your statement shows different addresses for standard mail and expedited or overnight mail, choose the one that matches how you plan to send your payment. Double check that the account name and number on the coupon match your account. And if you write a check, include your full account number in the memo line to ensure proper crediting. If you can't locate the statement or the address isn't clear, it's time to contact customer service. Use the official contact options provided on the Vive website or within your account portal. Ask specifically for the correct remittance mailing address for your exact account or product because addresses can vary and may change over time. While you're connected, confirm processing timelines, mailing tips, and whether there's a different address for overnight delivery. If available, save the chat transcript or note down the date of the confirmation for your records. Before you drop anything in the mail, make sure your payment is payable to the correct entity listed on the statement. Never send cash, and mail early to account for carrier delays. If you use a bank's bill pay service, update the payee's address there to match your latest statement. That's it. Visit the official site, sign in, check your statement's remittance section, and contact customer service if anything's unclear. Follow these steps and your Vive payment will be on the right track.